Hello everyone and welcome back to another software review video. Today we are going to review Directorist, which is a WordPress plugin from which you can create directories for your businesses, and many types of directory can be created. For example, local business directory, student directory, job directory, tourism directory, and other type of directories can be created. So now let us get started. To get started, at first log in to your WordPress account, then you have to download the plugin for directories. To download the plugin, just go to the plugin and then search plugin, but it will just search in install plugin. Click on the add plugin button and then click on the search plugin and enter directorist directorist. So this is the directories, and click on install now, and this directory will be installed. And directories also offers many types of additional plugins. For example, directories add-on kit for Elementor, directories WPML integration. So different types of integration is also supported. Now click on activate button so that this plugin gets activated. So at first you have to choose the type of directory. For example, I am choosing business directory, and then classified listing also can be choosing. You have different options. Lawyer directory, and you have to choose 5: job directory, hotel directory, and restaurant directory. Then click on the next button, and here you can sell your directories too. So if you are a lawyer or you are a doctor, and if you have a list of clients, then you can just create this directory, and this directory can be sold to the users. You have to add your location, so just give your location. After choosing location, click on the next button, and these steps can be skipped also. For example, I am skipping this step. You can turn the feature for monetization, and then you can just click on this monetize, and the featured listing fees is $19. You can turn off it and turn on later. You can enable payments via bank transfer, enable payment via PayPal, and then you can just on using your directories. And let us click. You can turn this on anytime you want. You have to import the demo content, and data sharing preference, share non-sensitive data. So non-sensitive data can be collected from our side. So then click on submit and launch my directory. So it is building my directory. It says to not reload the page because it is building our directory. Mm. At first it will import the business type, and then uh, from our web pages and different data sources, it is creating directory, and this directory can be monetized, and we can earn from this directory also, because in today's date, data is powerful. Data and information is what everyone need. Every businesses for their organization need data. Now you can see your directory has been created, and the directory website is ready. And what next is that you can create your first listing or return to WordPress dashboard. So at first let us create our first listing. So this is the directory listings. You can see all the listings. For example, this is the name, directory, location, categories, and author. So all these contacts has been taken from our WordPress account. So in this way, you can also add new listing by clicking on the add new listing, and new listing can be added. Mm. So you have to enter a title, for example, content. Then you have to write the paragraph of this listing also. uh, Directory will be businesses. You can enter the price, features, contact info. uh, it is for now demo. and you can add the location, and adding location is easier. You can just drag and drop on the map, and or enter coordinates latitude and longitude manually. Then you have to upload preview image, then custom fields, for example name, value, and author. And then this directory, this listing can be created. And after writing everything, you can click on publish button, and this will be published. And you can update it anytime, and this directory will be available for public. And if anyone visits this directory, you will be given uh, some bucks, because these directories are monetized. And you can click on all listings to see all the listing. This we have already seen. Then you can add new listings by clicking on add new listing. Then you have these categories. On the categories you have we already know different categories like business, automobile, buffet, everything. You can add new categories also by writing the name, slug, parent category, and description. Then there's locations. On the basis of locations, filter can be added. You can add a new locations. All the countries name are available here. Then you have these tags. So different types of tags are available. You can add new tag. For example, automobile, beauty, businesses. Different types of tags are available. Then you have this directory builder. As you know, we have already built one directory. For example, we have 5 total directories, and number of listings in each directory is this, and it was created today. You can edit these directories and also see these directories, how these directories look. So you can add listing form, single page layout, all listing layout, and default listing preview. So this is how it works. Then you have this reviews button. In the reviews, you can see the reviews. You can change the settings from settings also. And then you have these themes and extensions. For example, uh, settings enable, you can just enable email verification and monetization options. Everything related to your account will appear in the settings button. Then you have this help and support. If you are feeling any difficulty using directory listings, then you can just contact the developers. They are free to help you anytime you want. Then we have these themes and extensions. On the themes and extensions, you can see different types of themes, and you can download different extension which can be used uh, mm, along with your directories account. At first you have to log in to your directory account, then only you can use this. Enter the username and then password. Click on connect button, and it says login is successful. So 35 extensions are available. You can choose any extensions and use. For example, you have this directorist analytics, directory advanced review, announcement, add-on clicks, WPML, digital marketplace, job manager, booking, listing with map, PayPal payment gateway, MailChimp integration, body press integration, directories ad manager, social login, claim listing. So these are different types of extensions. For example, analytics, you can analyze all the directories. So click on get it now, and you can analyze everything. Mm, and this directory analytics is another program. It is going to cost $29 per year. Let us sign into our account of directories. You have to write your username. So this is the access key, and this is our account. You can see our subscriptions. So 5 sites can be managed using directories, and It is lifetime for sites. You can just contact the support. In the support, you can just create a new ticket and your issue will be resolved within very short period of time. Now let us take a look at the pricing plan of Directorist. So this is running currently on holiday deals. You are getting a lot of discount. The pricing plan is divided on the basis of number of site. If you are managing one site, then it is going to cost $103 per year. For 5 site, it is going to cost $111 per year. And then for unlimited site, it is going to cost $119 per year. And this is the most popular plan, which enables lifetime access. uh, you can use this for your lifetime, and it is going to cost $587 for lifetime. So this is the most popular plan, and everyone should look this uh, for using directories, and they are going to give lifetime support, and this is a good deal. So thank you very much for watching this video.